Guys, make sure to stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repair diagnostics that you may actually not even need. So let's explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Mechanics. Super quick helpful video to any of you guys trying to find where the trailer lights, fuses and relays are located on Jeep Cherokee, that generation here from year 2014 to year 2023. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find them. Also, in addition guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from. So let's start on it now. Before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos guys. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, engine codes, transmission codes, fuses, relays. Why we do that guys, all that because our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos guys. Check out our YouTube channels, that's where guys you can find more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in free repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. The trailer lights, fuses and relays, where you can expect to find them. We'll show you guys here. Quick advice, you have some hidden fuse boxes in that Jeep Cherokee. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Jeep Cherokee Fuse Box Location and Diagram. It's a video people told us saved them a lot of trouble. Check it out guys. What we need to do now, open the hood. Lucky for us, we're working a fuse box that's easy to get to. So once you open the hood, facing the engine on the right side, this is the driver's side, that's the main engine fuse box. You have two tabs, press them together, leave the cover up, and underneath you're going to find that fuse box layout here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find guys a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. The trailer lights, fuses and relays. Let's explain where you can find them now guys. The first one, okay, that we will specifically guys need to check, we're talking about that fuse right here, which is known as fuse number 40. Very important fuse. Then you need to come and check fuse number 42 right here. Okay, after that we need to locate fuse number 44 right there, the bottom, the very first fuse. Next we need to locate fuse number 57, that 20 amp fuse right here, fuse 57. Next we need to locate fuse number 61, this fuse right here. And after that guys we need to locate fuse number 73 guys. So here 73, we're talking about that 20 amp fuse. Okay, right here, that's the one that you will need to check. What about relays? You don't have any relays. Okay, you only have the fuses that are known as relay fuses on that Jeep Cherokee. Guys, quick advice, this Jeep Cherokee uses all kinds of fuses and relays. We want to show you the different fuses. Those are special fuses right here. You have mega fuses, you have micro 3-blade fuses, you have little mini cartridge fuses, maxi cartridge fuses. Guys, those are super hard to find. If you're in the middle of nowhere, you may have a hard time finding a replacement one, and you may end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere. So buy some, keep some spare ones in the glove box for peace of mind. We're going to share the information in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a really good price. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from guys. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. If we have time and resources, we'll try to make video for your problem guys. Thank you for watching, see you next time.